water's a little bit cloudy. I just did a carbon change in my canister filter. So I kind of stirred up just a little bit of debris and it clears up in a little bit. Anyways, this is my 75-gallon tank. Yes, it's got miscellaneous different color rocks in it because, we're poor and we can't afford, a bunch of bags of rocks. So we use what we got for now. But anyways, here they are. They just got done eating and they're super healthy and good looking fish. You can zoom in on them. Still looking for food. It's funny. Anyways, this is what I got. It's pretty cool. Check it out.